So hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about best natures and specialities in Pokemon Sleep. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So based on their effects, the best natures in Pokemon Sleeps are gentle, sassy, careful, and calm. So these natures have a higher chance of triggering Pokemon's main skill, which can be a lucrative outcome for recovery, XP gain, and resource gathering. So I'll be showing you a chart where everything will be seen here with their best nature and specialities, guys. So as you can see here, these are just the best natures and skills in Pokemon Sleep. So you have your berries right here. So there are berries in the ingredients and skills. So basically those are the Pokemon under the category. You can take a screenshot if you like to. So the ingredients are also there, and also the skills. So basically there's S, A, B, C, D, F. So like I said a while ago, the best natures are gentle, sassy, careful, and calm, which can be found here in the A section of the skills under Jigglypuff, Psyduck, and Jolteon, Vaporeon, and Flareon, Sudowoodo, and other Pokemon like that. So you can also find them with other Pokemon. And there you go, guys. Those are just the things you should know with the best natures and specialities in Pokemon Sleep. See if you like this video, thank you for watching, and see you again next time.